Manufacturing allows you to have a hand in the world around you. At Martin Guitar, people use their hands to change the world through manufacturing. They use innovation to influence their surroundings. Manufacturing is more than creating products, it's making history.
Manufacturing is so cool because it allows us to have a hand in history. Hi, my name is Jason Honor, and I'm responsible for sharing the history of Martin Guitar. Martin Guitar has survived many wars and recessions to become the oldest guitar maker in the world. People can see that the Martin family has used hands to create guitars for 185 years and many more years to come. Throughout it all, Martin Guitar has been hand-building instruments since 1833 in exactly the same way.
Manufacturing is so cool because it allows me to have a hand in culture. Hi, my name is Rachel Fossil and I work in pre-finish at Martin Guitar. Through Martin Guitar, it feels nice to make guitars for the community and spread joy worldwide through music. I love making guitars for customers and being able to, see their smile on their face saying, I did that. I had my hand in that. I love the fact that I can work on an artist's guitar and know that they perform it on stage and you can see them handling that is just amazing to me. Our intent at Martin Guitar is inspiring the younger generation.
Manufacturing allows me to have a hand in our community. Hi, my name is Kerry Dieter. I'm a neck fitter. Manufacturing is cool because I know where the finished product is going, and it makes me feel special because I had a hand in just about every part. The thing that I enjoy the most is when I sit somewhere and I see somebody playing Martin Guitar, I know that I had a hand in it, and it makes me very proud to carry on the heritage.
Manufacturing is cool because it allows me to have a hand in the environment.
Hi, my name is Fred Everett and I am an industrial engineer.
Manufacturing is where you take raw materials and you figure out how to make something last forever, like a Martin guitar. My hands play a role in making sure our factory is environmentally friendly for both our guitars and our community. We received 2 awards from the Department of Energy of reducing our energy footprint by over 25%.
Well, I'm proud to have had a hand in helping us manufacture the world's best acoustic guitars.
Let's give a hand to Martin Guitar for making manufacturing so cool.